Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to check if Instagram has shadow banned your account. Now let's say your engagement rate just went down and you gained a lot less traction to your account and you don't know why. Now I'm going to show you how to check if you're shadow banned. The first thing, of course, open up your Instagram application, and from out here you want to go to the button right of your screen where your profile picture appears. Now this will open up your profile, and here you go to the top right corner where the three stripes are. Now from out here, what you want to do, you want to scroll all the way down into the settings till you find the more info and support tab. Now here it's the third option called account status. Now here are three things you can see. Now the one where you know you are shadow banned is the middle one, the content lowered in feed. Now what Instagram does is, if they don't allow your content or anything else, they are not willing your content on the platform, they will lower you in the feed. Now here you can see what is lowered and why it is lowered, and here you can see also the removed content. Here you can also see in the removed feed what posts are gaining a lot less traction. Now, and from there what you can do is actually contact the support on the Instagram page. So simply go into the help section and here report a problem. Now here you can report a problem to Instagram and they can see what they can do for you and what you can do for them. Now it's an easy process. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.